Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch, and we have 2 cross stitch kits to look at. So let's get with it here. Let's see, I'm trying. Okay, we'll just start with the one on top. Move that over. Get this out of its bag. Just 1 minute. Okay, so the first one is a 50 by 50, and it's of a little fox, as you can see, and he's got some winter greenery around him. Now, this kit is no longer available. I did look because I was curious. You know, every once in a while I have to go back and see what I got from this person or that person so that I don't get 2 of anything. So, this one is no longer available, but it's very nicely printed. Maybe they'll get more of them. I'm not sure. It does have 35 colors. It has 154, which is the mulberry. Has 310 black. No 498. It has 823. No 939. And no 3770, which is that butter color. And it does have 3865 for the white or off-white. The background is like got a lot of white in it, but you know, it's mostly confined to the top here. So for the background of the trees, I just thought this was really pretty, and I'm surprised that it's no longer available. So I got nothing. I don't know why it's not. Hang on, I'm trying to get everything out. It does come with a toolkit. We have the carp or the koi, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Comes in a nice little plastic bag. Those things are wonderful. I'm so glad they send more than 2. Does have an instruction page for if you're new to cross stitch. Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, trying to save you the crinkling noise. All right, so it has 2 hanks of 3865. This one comes on a big card. So maybe it was one of the older ones. I've never seen that kit before myself, but that doesn't mean anything. I mean, after you've looked at 1,500 of these things, you know, they all start looking alike. But very beautiful colors. You have some pale colors. You have dark blue, which is probably 823, and some browns, tans, and rusts. Just beautiful colors. I just liked the picture. I really did. And I've never ever seen this. So, I don't know. And I've been to a lot of stores, so I got nothing. I don't know. So, we will see. Let's take a look at the canvas. The paper pattern will match the canvas, and there was nothing wrong with paper pattern, so it's nice and clear. And this is very well printed, very easy to see since it's an 11 count. It does have the product number, how big it is here, and how many squares per square. It's 190 by 190. Lovely serging around. It barely grazes the number right there. So that's good. Nice heavy duty canvas. Let's undo the whole thing. But yeah, I think this fox is going to be beautiful. I just love that winter kind of misty look that it had. It's just lovely. So hopefully they'll bring it back. I'm telling you these things so you won't get your heart set on it. But never can tell. So it's 19.5 inches or 49.5 centimeters that way. And this way it is 50 centimeters or about 19.75 inches. Actual picture size is 17 inches or a little over 43 centimeters. This way it is, let's see, almost 17 inches and 43 centimeters. So very nice, beautiful picture, just gorgeous. I don't know if they have any other animals, you know, I don't know. They may have a wolf. I can't remember. But yeah, this is one they really need to bring back because it's very nicely done. Very nice. All right, let's get on to the next one. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, this one is a 40 by 53. I need to clean this desk off desperately. I'm just going to take it all and just shove it in a big box. No, I won't do that. Okay, it's a 40 by 53. I mean, yeah, 40 by 53. It was $9.78. All right, let's take a look at it. Will you look at those flowers? Is that not gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I don't know if they're lotus flowers or not. They're just kind of tall for lotus flowers, but they sure are beautiful. This comes from that new company, once again. Has the product number up here. The paper pattern will match the canvas, and it has its instructions page on the same paper as this. Yeah, it's on the paper pattern, not a separate page. Let's take a look at this. Oh, very nicely done. I don't see any smudges or smears or anything. Just a teeny tiny, but I don't know if you can actually see it. See? It's so small. Right there. Just a little teeny tiny bit. But that is it. The rest of it is absolutely gorgeous. This has 42 colors. Does have some confetti in it. It also has some great big places where you stitch. So that's good. But the what do you call it? The confetti looks nominal. I mean, really, it's mostly in the detailing of the flowers. I just love this. Ugh. That pink against that dark blue and black. So, no black. No black. I'm sorry, lied. Okay, so it's going to have 823 and 939 for your background. But, so it's a dark blue. So, like I said, it does have 550 purple. Like I said, 823, 939. No 3371, no 3770, but it does have 3865 for the white, and that should be pretty nominal in this. I can't see, oh, maybe in the flowers, you know, for the highlights, but yeah, very nicely done. I love this company, yeah, despite the fact they have thread drops, but, you know, it is what it is, so we're just dealing one day at a time. We've been through the big vid, so we can handle anything, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this comes with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And you have koi. Again, let's take a look at those threads. Okay, I got it out of the bag so it wouldn't crinkle so much. It does have the product number and how big it is right here at the bottom. So we'll put that up there. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. There's a wad of them though. Hang on. Get everybody together. Can you ever look at those pinks and fuchsias and purples and dark blues? There's your 3865. I told you it was nominal. Let's look this way. Flip it over if I can. We got reds. We got magentas. There's your 550 purple. I'd know it anywhere. I love that purple. I tried to do a cross stitch and that, and I think it was 500 or 503 or something like that. Yeah, I got so lost. Another day, another story. Yeah. But look at those blues. Oh, can you ever? Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Shake it out. Everything's been all mooshed together, but golly gee whiz. Yeah, I can't hardly wait to start this one. I love the colors. Okay, I'm just going to try to grab it. Hold that thought. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Yeah, you get that in your hand. I don't want to drop it. Now, I did one. Got to give it all credit here. You know, these little tabs that we're dealing with now. I did one to get it everything in order, and half of it was in order, and I just had to flip it over, and the other half, I just had to put a few in line, so it was pretty much in order, so I just kind of like to keep it that way. You know, it's so nominal work of getting that thing on a ring. So let's take a look at the canvas. It does have the product number up here. Now down here in the corner it says it's 40 by 53. It's 148 by 204. It is on the paper pattern. I forgot to show that to you. 42 colors. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. And this looks so easy to stitch. Look at this. It's not all messed up, you know, with 50 different things. Like I said, right in here is where most of your confetti in the center of these flowers is going to be, and on the ends. But other than that, this thing will be a breeze to stitch. Let's open it up. Very nicely done, very nicely printed. This is nice and smooth. And, you know, I found that it takes a lot to crinkle this. So it will stay, if you like it stiff, you know, and I like it more. Okay. That was 4 sentences. I'm sorry. When I do my cross stitch, I like to get it broke down a little bit, kind of get the sizing out of it or whatever is in it, just so I can hang on to it. These, you get it in your hand and you stitch blah, 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 and then you open it up and it's basically right back where you started. So it takes a lot of handling to get it crunched down. I have noticed that. So let's take a look and see how big it is. So just saying that this material, it's different and it's kind of thick. You know, it's a good 1/8 of an inch thick. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but yeah. So I don't know what happened to that finer material they had, but it was kind of nice. I liked it. 52 centimeters or 20.5 inches by 40.5 centimeters or 16 inches. Actual picture size looks really close to 13 3/4, no, almost 13.5 inches, but 34 centimeters that away, and almost 18 inches or 46 centimeters this way. So nice big picture. And it looks, you know, if you're one that loves to do those big areas, this is your jam. Yeah, because it's got a lot of big areas. And not a lot. It would be a good one for a beginner because they could practice, you know, their stitches on that background if they wanted to. Or, you know, working around in here without it being every third one something else. Okay. Yeah. Stitching all the way around. Very nice. Very nice key. Very easy to see. So, yeah. Beautiful. Now the stitching, I'll just say it. I'll say it. See, it kind of hits the edge. But this company, that thread is so fine, it really doesn't get involved with the numbers so that you can't read what it is. But if for some reason it did, you got your paper pattern, everything matches. Awesome. Yeah. We'll be starting this one today. Yeah, for sure. All right. If they have any specials or if I have a discount code, you will see that in the beginning on the discount code, or I will and or I will put it in the description box below. They have only cross stitch and embroidery. I believe they have punch needle, and they do not have diamond painting, is where I was going with that. And they have free shipping on orders over $50. If there's any changes in that, I'll put that as well in the description box. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch. This has been a red letter 2-day, single days review. The kits are gorgeous. They're awesome. I love them all. Yeah, I'll be in the corner starting everything, you know. Put one thread in, go on to the next. Put one thread in, yeah. Because I get a little carried away with starting them because the colors just drive me to want to see what it looks like, how, you know, beautiful it's going to be. So, all right, guys, you've heard me blabber enough. Do check them out. They always have great prices. I have ordered from them personally. Customer service is absolutely excellent. I just absolutely love this store. I do. And they always have such a wide variety of cross stitch because, yeah, you need that. There's a lot of spectrums out there. They have, sometimes they even have the specials where you can get 4 kits in one. So they have really good deals on that. So do check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.